Good morning from South Louisiana and Starkey Farmstead. This morning, don't lick that. This morning we're going to show you how to apply rabbit urine as a pesticide and a fertilizer, using it as a foliar spray. Atlas. Sorry guys, the dog seems to like it. And this is, let me point out, this is the greatest thing about rabbit urine. I can use it to fertilize and pesticide, but I don't have to worry about hurting my animals on the farm, killing off my beneficial insects, causing any kind of cancer later on. It's completely organic. The way that we collect it is a simple process. We watch our meat rabbits and we look to see where they're going to use the bathroom. And what I mean is that inside the cage, they have a tendency to go to the same area to urinate and defecate. So I simply place a bucket and I catch the urine from underneath the cage. I do the same with the fecal matter. All right, so I'm using a leftover Cajun injector, which is right at, let's roll it so you can see it. Well, it's on there. It says 1 ounce. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to kind of filter through, so I'm not picking up any of the seeds or anything else that got into the bucket when I poured it into the jar. And I'm just gonna put it into my 2-gallon sprayer. Yes, it smells terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. You don't want to get this on your hands or your clothes or anything else, because you will smell it for the rest of the day. Rabbits don't drink a lot of water, so their urine is extremely concentrated. The reason we use rabbit urine, one, it's an available, sustainable source on our farmstead. We raise meat rabbits. It doesn't carry the same human pathogens that I could worry about with anything, any kind of human byproducts, or say dogs. Stop. Now the German Shepherd thinks that this smells wonderful too. So you're just going to go through this process. Pull up your urine, put it into your 2-gallon sprayer. Okay, stop. I could just pour it, but then I do have to worry about things that would clog up my sprayer. I could get a strainer, but to be honest, I've used them and then I either misplace them or I just misplace them. So I just stick with this. I put it in there with my sprayer, inside of my sprayer when I'm finished, and the next time I need to use a sprayer, bam, I have something I can filter with. So I just reuse, repurpose, recycle as many products on the farm as I can, trying to keep, quote unquote, our carbon footprint down. Why add more trash to a landfill when this was left over from Thanksgiving? So that's what I'm gonna do this morning. I'm gonna go fill this 2-gallon sprayer up with some well water, and it's about 7 o'clock. You can see the garden is just starting to come under the sun, so I need to hurry up, get out there, spray everything down. When I say folicular spray, I'm going to spray the plants from the roots up the stems, both sides of the leaves. This is going to give my plants a boost. They absorb a lot through their leaves, guys. That's why using pesticides and stuff like that can be so harmful to you, because that plant's going to absorb it. It's not just going to kill the bugs. The plant's going to absorb it. So using rabbit urine, what I'm doing is adding a huge nitrogen boost, and I'm adding micronutrients that I normally wouldn't, my plants wouldn't get it, the soil didn't have. And if your plants can't get it from the soil, then your food doesn't have the nutrients that you need. And this is an epidemic in America and other parts of the world, pretty much worldwide at this point, I would say. It's called hidden hunger. You're getting enough calories, but you're not getting enough nutrients. So this is gonna help. This is gonna make our food nutrient dense. So we're really excited about that. Our plants look beautiful. They're vibrant. They're healthy. We're having very few pest attacks, and we're completely and totally organic and sustainable. So you can do this too. We do sell rabbit urine here at Starkey Farmstead. If you're interested, you can inbox me on Facebook. We suggest spraying your plants down once a week. You can do it more if you're starting to see a lot of pests, but you have to be careful that you don't spray when the sun is at its hottest, when the sun is highest in the sky. You will scorch these plants. So if you would like to purchase some rabbit urine, you can do that from Starkey Farmstead. We are located in Greensburg, Louisiana. My cell number is 501-697-3398. You can also take some time out of your day and come by the farm. I'll walk you through the garden and show you the benefits firsthand of why we use rabbit urine as a pesticide as well as a fertilizer. Have a great day, guys.